friends and family. Then back cooking with Nana. I have my mince, carrots, 2 eggs, onions, and a green pepper. And this is some breadcrumbs. And then I have my salt, my nutmeg, dried chilies, and some oil. Today I'm making frikadelle meatballs. Oma's meatballs. So I have my mince here. This is about half a kilo of mince. This is steak mince. Then I'm gonna add my onions. This is 2 onions and a half a green pepper. I'm gonna add that. We're not gonna add my carrots. This is 2 carrots, grated on the fine side of the grater, the small side. This is 2 um small teaspoons of salt. This is about uh half a small spoon of nutmeg and 2 teaspoons of dried chilies. I don't want to make it too spicy. I don't like too spicy. So yes. Now I'm gonna add my breadcrumbs, and I'm gonna measure this in a normal cup so that you can see how much the exact measurements. This is a cupful, and I'm gonna put this little bit still. This is about a quarter of a cup. I'm gonna put in. I don't like it too much bread in or too much breadcrumbs in. Then you don't taste the mince. And I use 2 eggs. As you can see, this is a third glass of oil. I like to put oil in. Then it's not so stiff with the carrots in. It makes it more. It makes the mixture more. And that is also a way that you can use for your kids to get vegetables in. The kids that don't like vegetables, yeah, dan kry hulle groente in. You can smell the onions, you can smell the green pepper, you can smell the nutmeg. You can just wash my hands. This is my potatoes. 2, 4, 6, 7 potatoes. Then I'm gonna make my creamy sweet corn. And then I'm gonna make my baked beans and green pepper. I'm gonna make the green pepper onions nice golden brown. And I'll put my baked beans in with a little chutney and a little curry powder. I'll show you now. And then, because my family likes it like that, they don't like the baked beans just so. I need to spice it up for them. In fours. And then I should it with my onions and green peppers. Then we cut this up quickly. This is for the baked beans. I'm using my crown fish oil again. Crown fish oil. Dit is ouma's en oupa's en aunties en uncles wat daai jare gebruik ek nog altyd. Then my potatoes, I put some lukewarm water and I put some salt in. My pan is busy getting warm to fry my meatballs. That in a pan. Oh, yeah, the pan is just right. Then we do it again. You just roll it, oopsie. You roll it of mos nipsie. You roll it, and say, this must just get a smell now. Oh my God, it's divine. I'm making now can you see I put the walls in, the chutney. I put a little of this in, just a little. You know what curry powder I use? I use the Raja, and this is the mild, and the all-in-one, and the medium mild. Just a little bit. Just a little salt I put in. I put the plate lower. Bring you nearer to the pot. Can you see? Nice. I let it boil a little bit. And we're going to turn our meatballs now. Can you see how nicely my meatballs look? Wow! Nice. Lekker. He's a person I want to challenge. I know I'm new to this whole thing, but she's always on my mind. I always watch her videos. Salome. Salome said she's making the best cabbage food. There's no one that can make cabbage food like her. Are you jealous? I believe I can make it better than her because my grandma taught me how to make it. If you hear this video or someone that knows her, send it to her and maybe she's up for the challenge. Ja, ik maak nou mijn eie goedertjes. I'm gonna make my mashed potatoes now. I'm taking my Marvello butter. I put a piece in. I strain my potatoes, and it's still quite warm. And I'm gonna put some quarter piece. I put in my butter. Close it up. Then I put my milk. Now you can measure your milk the way you want. If you like a stiff mashed potato, you can make it stiff. If you like a nice fluffy one, you can add your amount of milk you like. So I'll add it like this. It's about a cup for 7 potatoes. And now we're gonna mash it just like this. Finish. Now it's done. Now my food is done. 1, 2, 3. Can you see, guys? This is our meatballs. This is our meatballs. And I'm gonna open one for you. Can you see all the goodness in there? You see all the goodness in there? Marvelous! So that's how my meat. Yes, Nana. I want to thank all my friends and family that's been part of this adventure with me. Laid back cooking with Nana. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Toodles!